You didn't study all these years to be an accountant to chase a client's invoice. What if you don't need to do it anymore? Let's dive into Sorvyn. Here you can see the dashboard, everything in one overview. So the files to process, what to chase, overdue deadlines, messages. For demo purposes, I already integrated myself as a client. When you click on the Clients tab, you can see an overview. You can see the client's data, documents that he sent, expected documents, deadlines that you have to respect, shared documents with you and your client, and messages, so you can message him back and forth instead of the client or you opening your Gmail or your email software separately. You can just text with him here directly. So where the message lands, you are asking? Very good question. Every client has a client portal and a client dashboard. So he can drag and drop his invoices from there and you receive them immediately. Here you have a link, so you just copy the link, and this is what the client sees from his PC and from his phone. So he can even send you the invoices, the bank statements, whatsoever from his phone directly. Here you can see he has a notification bell too. You can see your accountant message you, and you can see here down, he got a message from his accountant. Here, let's drag and drop a few invoices and a few bank statements. So let's see here a bank statement, and here let's choose an invoice to send. Voila. Here you can see a small notification sending, and here you can see the message and see, hey, what is going on? And you just send it away. And you can see your client just send you a message immediately here from his portal instead of using Gmail or whatsoever. Let's go back to the dashboard and you can see, something is happening here. Here you can see you can either access everything from the bell, so you can see here what is going on. So you can see Patrick messaged you, Patrick sent invoice, or Patrick sent a bank statement. Here, messages, you can see, my client just sent me a message. Let's click on documents and let's see. Here you have the invoice, what has been sent from him. Here you have an overview immediately, how he uploaded. So he uploaded from the portal, when he uploaded it, the supplier, so that's my company, the invoice number, the invoice date, net amount, the VAT, the gross amount, and you can see that there's no IBAN, so there's no bank account. So it even flags you, and you can see here, IBAN missing on the invoice. No IBAN was found on the invoice, the payment cannot be prepared. So he flags you what is missing and what is wrong with the invoice, so you don't have to. After 100 invoices, trust me, you are getting tired, and if something like this, or if Sorvyn flags you it because you didn't pay attention, it's a huge win. So instead of you then, imagine that something is wrong with the invoice. Instead of you manually opening again Gmail, putting the invoice as an attached file, you can do it immediately here. You say, hey, something is wrong with this invoice. And you send it away and it's attached to the email. So you don't have to reattach it. You just send it and it's gone. You don't have to think about it anymore. It's gone and it's proceeded. So from the client itself, you can either go back and forth with the arrow. So instead of doing this and this, you can see here a bank statement. You can also go to the invoice and you can just tap the next forward arrow and you are here in the next invoice or bank statement in this case. Here is a bank statement, and as you know by bank statements, you have line by line and you have to extract everything. Here again you can see all the data, and here you can see that when clicking on it, it shows you exactly which line it is, so you can follow along. You can see the date, what the label is, the amount, and you say yes, it's exactly this, and you continue. You can see that it turned green and it continues. Yes, this is also right, and yes, this is also right, and you go and extracted everything for you. You can just click confirm all and everything is done, and you can even export it as a CSV file, so it exports immediately in your account software, so you don't have to. Here down, if you're going down, you can see hello again, same thing. You can send it immediately to him, or what you also can do, you can chase it back to him. So let's say he sent you the wrong bank statement. You just click here and you send back and chase now. So if you click here, it will chase the client immediately. How it chases the client? Very good question. Let's go here, reminders, and let's go to the remind settings. You can set everything individually. Here you can see on top variables, so it sets it up automatically. So the client, the pieces, and the cabinet, when it should send the reminder and how many reminders it should send. A soft reminder, you can edit all the emails by your own. A soft reminder the next day, here you can see every 4 days. So after the first soft reminder, it goes to a more firm reminder. After this one, a last one, it goes to a final direct reminder like, hey, please send me this bank statement as fast as possible to avoid penalties or to avoid any mistakes or to avoid any penalties, as mentioned. And that's about it. Just on the last step, you can see here the deadlines. So you can add deadlines. You can see for the client, monthly VAT return, quarterly VAT return, annual VAT return. So it sends you a reminder so you don't forget to do it. And here on the homepage, you can see how many minutes approximately you saved already just by this bank statement and by the invoice. And that's about it for Sorvyn. I hope you can see how much time you can save with this and how little you have to do to export it to your official account software. Again, Sorvyn doesn't replace your main accounting software. We work with it. You can export the CSV file, or we can see how we can integrate it with your software. If you're interested, please book a demo down below. I will be very happy to talk to you and to work with you. See you.